Good morning students. Welcome to your science class. In the last session, we have studied about parts of cell. I hope you enjoyed last video and you watched it nicely. Students, in this third session of chapter 8 cell structure and functions, we will study about types of cell on the basis of nuclear organization. We will study different cell organelles and we will learn comparison of plant and animal cell. Students, on the basis of nuclear organization, cells have been classified into two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Students, now we will study prokaryotic cells. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. So, the cells which do not have a well-organized nucleus due to the absence of nuclear membrane are called prokaryotic cells. The organisms with these kinds of cells are called prokaryotes. These cells also lack the cellular organisms like mitochondria, chloroplast and lysosomes. Examples of prokaryotes are bacteria and blue-green algae. Now we will study eukaryotic cells. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. So the cells which have a well-organized nucleus with nuclear membrane are called eukaryotic cells. The organisms with these kinds of cells are called eukaryotes. All organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae have eukaryotic cells. Hence, they are called eukaryotes. Examples of eukaryotes are plants and animals. Students, as we have studied in earlier session, the cytoplasm has nucleus and various other cellular components in it. These components are known as cell organelles. Now we will study different cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosome, ribosome, vacuoles, plastids and centrosomes. Students, now we will start with mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. The body uses energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compounds and for mechanical work. Students, now we will study vacuoles. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cells while plant cells have very large vacuoles. They store food and waste material. In single-celled organism like amoeba, the food vacuole contains the food items that amoeba has consumed. Students, now we will study endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is known as ER. ER is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. It looks like round bag. The ER membrane is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. The ER helps in manufacture of fat or protein. The manufactured proteins are then sent to the various places in the cell depending on need. Students, now we will study Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies was first described by Camillo Golgi. Its functions include the storage, modification and packaging of products. In some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in the Golgi bodies. The Golgi body is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. Students, now we will study lysosomes. Lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. When the cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzyme digest their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as suicide bags of a cell. Students, now we will study plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cells. They are of different colors. Some of them contain green pigment called chlorophyll. Green colored plastids are called chloroplasts. They provide green color to the leaves. Chlorophyll in the chloroplast of leaves is essential for photosynthesis. Students, now we will study centrosome. Centrosome is located in nucleus of animal cells only. It is absent in plant cells. It is involved in cell division. Students, now we will do comparison of plant and animal cell. Okay, I want you to pause this video and observe the figure closely. Can you find any difference between plant and animal cell? I am sure you have found it. Let us see the difference between them. From the figure, we can say that chloroplast is present in plant cell, while it is absent in animal cell. You have seen that vacuoles are larger in size in plant cell and smaller in size in animal cell. Cell wall is present in plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. And students, animal cell have centrosome while plant cell does not have centrosome. Students, now we will do similarities between plant and animal cell. Okay, now further I want you to pause this video and observe the figure carefully. Can you find any similarities between plant and animal cell? I am sure you have found it. Let us see the similarities between animal cell and plant cell. From the figure, we can say that cell membrane, nucleus, nuclear membrane, cytoplasm are present in animal cell as well as plant cell. Students, the topic of cell organelle is very much important for next year, and the topic of comparison of plant and animal cell is very much important for exam purpose. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Please go through all the videos, solve worksheet, supplementary question answer and textual question answer. Till then, take care and thank you. Bye bye.